Got it. What's up? What's up? What's up? Man is on. Jump on now. Okay. Trading. Just like your boy promised. I'm here. Monday session, baby. What's going on? What's going on? Just posted it in the Gold Mines group for everyone on Facebook. Now. Hey, we got 87 people on. What is going on? Broadcast looks a little choppy, you know? Can everyone hear me clear? What's up? What's up? Hey. I'm gonna just post it in here. Live trading with GMG, baby. Learn and earn. There we go. 107 people on. Let's get it cracking. I want to see what other people are saying, but I can't really see it because it's live now, so I think I see it after. Oh, enter that. Just enter that. I still can't see all the comments. Let's go. Let's get it cracking. I don't see the chat. I can't see what people are saying. I'm a little annoyed. Let's go. Let's get it cracking. Yeah. Okay.
I hold on to all the things that they we think of you.
See the comments. Oh man, I should have never done that. Because now I messed up the music. Perfect. Let me bring that back. Let me bring that back. Let me bring it back. What's up? See the comments. Let's see the comments. We on. Let's rock. Don't come closer to the screen. You're gonna lose those gold chains. I like that. That's funny. I have a sense of humor. All right, you guys want to catch a little rap real quick? Who can hear me right now? If you can hear me, let me hear you say, oh yeah. You guys like it? Hey, so what we're gonna do is Goldminds is gonna have their own music channel. So I teamed up with a lot of cool like producers, a lot of people that make beats, and they're gonna make our own SoundCloud for us so we can have our own beats. So exclusively made by us. Hell yeah, that's dope, right? Let's get it. I'll bust a quick freestyle for you guys. You guys want to hear freestyle? Should I freestyle for them? Yo, Eddie, send me a telegram. What do you think? Should I freestyle for them? You guys want a quick little freestyle? If you guys want to freestyle, drop freestyle in the comment. I'll give you a little Forex freestyle. And you could throw me different topics on Forex, and I'll do a little freestyle before we start the live trading session, before we get it in. Spin the high fire. Roger says, please don't. Eddie, should I do it? Should I do it? He says go for it. All right, which beat you guys like? You guys like this beat? Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Let's see. I like that. That one was fire. Let's play that one back. All right, cool. We can get it going. Let's see. All right, cool. I got you. Yo, check it. Yo. All right, ready? Okay. I'm gonna try to keep it classy. Yo, they don't want it with me like constipation. I could trade everything, even consolidation. Every time I'm coming over here, I know it's I'm the boss. I get my take profit hit, you hit your stop loss. Off of the top when I'm rapping, I'm sick. I always trade at 3 a.m. and I gotta catch tips. So when I'm coming off the top, They know that I blow minds. I freestyle with my team. Shout out to Gold Minds. He told me to rap about my gold chain, and I could do it off the top and off the brain. They talking about who and who's he. My name's Dimitri. I'm getting paper like loose sleeve. Come and make a new bar and a new beat. Wondering I'm the fly guy. I'm high and we connected on the Wi-Fi. Mr. XAU. He mad that I ain't texting you. You got gold rhymes off of the top. Kill it. Instrumental right off on the spot. And we gotta just bang out. We freestyle on Google Air. Hang out. And with the rhymes, I ain't gonna quit it. I've been freestyling right now for about 10 minutes. I see what the rhymes, I keep them shocking. 138 people is now watching how I do it all the time. XAU, I gotta shine. Money back in my mind. Cause I'm staying so fly. And I'm staying so fly. Made money off of Brexit, GBP, JPY. They just jokers. They mad cause I smoke all of them freaking brokers. I gotta do it, I never listen to fake traders. That's the trader's way. I'm sky high, chilling on a paper plane. Please come to Gold Mine so I could probably save your brain from all the fake traders who's taking screenshots, posting on the internet like they be hot. I came through yesterday, bought some Reeboks, just a click, clack, bow, boom, give them 3 shots. That's how we gotta be. Hey, what you guys like that? You guys like that? What do you guys think? My life being bullish and yours is so bearish. I see them with me, they just staring, looking at my chains and look at my earrings, like a black genie off the top when I'm a parent. Alright, enough. Cool. You guys ready to catch some pips? Let's do it up. Should I save this webinar? Would you guys like it to freestyle? Was that dope? Legalize dope. Hey, what's going on? The live is lit. So, I want to look at some charts with everyone. Gold rhymes all day, man. Gold rhymes. I got them pissed off. Veronica, they demo traders, so they never withdraw. I'm too hot. Forget your $1, I threw a 2 lot. Gold rhymes. I got gold bars, baby. No pun intended. All right, let's go. Let's look at some charts. I want to look at some charts with you guys. My eye was messed up a little bit. I had something fly in my eye during the freestyle, man. Godly flows. All right, let's see what we can get popping here. Cool. I'm glad you guys liked it. I didn't want to be too vulgar and hype, so you know, I don't want to be on my Slim Shady talking about, you know, mom spaghetti. Sweet. I'm glad everyone came on. How do you guys like the music? Is the music dope or what? What are you guys feeling about the music? Sounds like money. Let's go. They jokers. I don't recommend none of these shady ass brokers. Lower it a tad bit. Off the top, I've been mad sick. They never catch no pips. They don't catch pips. They catch pips? Nah, they catch problems. You catch problems, I catch pips, baby. What's going on? I'm feeling the music. Let's go. Yo, Gold Mine soundtrack, baby. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me. It's about to rain money. Someone call Rihanna. Tell her you forgot your umbrella. You might have to send her a new one. Everyone, look, I got rappers in the group now. Some guy said I could spit this acapella, but words I'll chop you like a helicopter propeller stacking paper. Shredder ain't nothing better. Thank you guys for the. Let's start looking at some charts. What do you guys want to see? We can start looking at some charts. SMS text. She likes to send me hearts. She's like, oh, you're just so greater. My guy works a 9 to 5, but you're a traitor. I was like, baby, I told you. Never trust the market. They eat your Whole Foods. Let's stack DJ. Gotta keep it persistence. I just took profit. I saw major resistance. Now I hear I'm the man. All the way from Thailand to Japan. I got nice strategies, supply and demand. And if you need help, then Gold Mines gives you a hand. Hey. Bars off the top. We be rhyming on the spot. Waking up at 12 o'clock. Every day is so hot. Hey, kick back, sit back. They don't want to hit that. And I saw the trader did a wick back. They can't hold me. I'm the Black Shinobi. And I just took a sell off this doji. Can't hurt me. Can't work, G. And I got a trade off that US turkey. Let me stop. I need to stop now. Great morning. I'm done. You guys can't have me rapping. This is completely unprofessional. If we don't catch Pips, satisfied with this. Cool, so let's do it. I want to do it up. Let's look at the charts. I'm glad we could look at the charts. Okay, sweet. This is gold. Okay, so turkey dollar. Okay, turkey dollar. Let's look at this. Let me lower this down, guys. Can you guys hear me better now? Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you guys could hear me. I just want to check in the chat. Everyone could hear me? Perfect? Okay, perfect. Good. So I'm on US Turkey, and right now I'm looking at a sell on US Turkey, surprisingly. I mean, it could pull back for a little retrace, but I'm going based off of the weekly time frame. And what I see here is that price approached this level, right? Price approached this level here. And the thing that was significant about this pattern in general was that this trade right here that had happened, it was a fake out, right? And then the next trade came down and this one came. And I want you to look at this trend as if it was buyers and sellers in a pool, right? And they're fighting in a pool. So here's the thing. This is buyers, right? And anything below here that you see, anything below here is the water, right? This is the only place that they can gasp for air. So this is the sea and this is the water. So anything below here is like they're drowning almost, right? So check this out. Buyers came up for here, they gasped for air. Then they tried to come up again and gasp for air, but they couldn't, right? So again, they tried to pull up, but they couldn't gasp for air. So they can't breathe at this point, they're drowning. Again, they try to push up. And the reason why they want to push up is because price has been going up on this thing since like almost 2008. Like maybe not 2008, but like the trend really took off like here. Like it took off around like here, around like you know, this 2016. So this huge price level that had went up definitely needed to pull this back down. So this is going back down. So you could see buyers are desperate considering they had to leave for so long. And I have a feeling it's going down just because look at the buyers on this, right? Look at the body on this candlestick. The body on this candlestick is very tiny and the wick is very long. A lot of traders don't focus on that, okay? So I'm here and now I see buyers are now gone. They can't gasp for any more air. So remember, these wicks are what's helping them breathe, right? That's their head trying to come up like, they're trying to take a breath. So after you see now this candlestick is fully bearish, sellers have drowned them. Sellers have killed the buyers now. Buyers are now dead. So now, how do I know that? Because price broke the lowest point of this, and it broke it for about 50 pips. I mean, nothing too crazy. Well, 66 pips. Okay. So I think this is good. And there's also a gap here. There's also a gap somewhere around here. It's right here. So yeah, this is a weekly gap, and buyers have been crushed here. Price is making a new zone here. Buyers were already trapped up here, and they have shied away from there. So I think sellers may take it for U.S. Turkey dollar. So I'm pretty bearish on U.S. Turkey. I don't want to enter now though, but I do think this is a weak candlestick because it opened also too from the bottom. Like it didn't really open anywhere close to the top. So we'll see how this plays out. I'm in a sell, so once this breaks, you can definitely go ahead and take a sell with that. I'm looking for some setups though. Seeing how far this might retrace. This could just retrace here and then come back down. What do you guys think of that analysis? You guys like that analysis? Is that analysis fire or what? What do you guys think of that reference that I gave you? The whole buyers are drowning. Does that resonate with you guys? How do you feel about that? Yeah, probably might retrace first. So I want to show you guys too, like also how I analyze a trade and what I do. Thank you for everyone tuning in. All 149 people up right now, ready to catch some pips with your boy. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Fire, fire. Okay, awesome. Yeah, how many people are happy here to be live trading with Gold Mines? How many people think this is a game changer? How many people think this is a game changer? Live trading together, up with our own music channel that we have, just chilling, good vibes. Awesome, right? Where's your leader? Is your leader up 4 a.m. trading with you guys? Because I know a lot of people say they got leaders in the industry. But is he up trading with you guys at 3 a.m. in the morning? East Coast time, baby. 3 a.m. I don't sleep. I don't sleep because Forex don't rest. So I'm looking at US Turkey for a potential setup. And what's so great about this trade, you guys can see my screen, right? Is that this structure, right? Like this is almost a consolidation zone. And people would say, why do you say it's a consolidation zone? Because it's ranging. Look how it's ranging in this structure and this pattern. So if it breaks this zone here, it's going to let you know now, okay, this is a new zone that price is moving down to, because the last low was August of 2016, August 18th, 2016 at 9 p.m. around that time. So if price breaks here, then it would have broken all-time low since 2016 or 2015, since it's been here. You know, this 2016? No, I'm sorry. This is the 16th of, not 2016. This is the 16th of August, 2018. Sorry. But still, that's still a long ass time. That's still a long time. So it hasn't broke that since August, September, October, almost 3 months. So 3 months since it hit here. That's a long time. Let's look on the weekly. Right? When's the last time it hit here? That was on the 13th too as well. Okay. So boom. Since August 16th, 2018, it hasn't broke here for 3 months. So I think this 3 months break may be huge because for the past 3 months, it's been in and out of here for the longest. It's been just ranging in between this zone, okay? And it's coming back to here. So now this looks like it has identified that this is going to be a seller's trend now, because if you look at this, like look how much price went up here and then it dropped, right? And then it retraced back up to this area, and now it's coming down to make lower lows. So after this breaks, it's probably going to make this like the fourth lower low here and then go down. But I mean, it may retrace. I don't see the body being too strong because it already broke this area right here. You know what I'm saying? So this is the new zone. Like this already just proves that this is not a strong zone. So price is being pushed down here. And it did break past price here for about 50 pips. So that's why you always want to put these a little bit lower when you're like looking for a good entry. But I think this could possibly be a fake out. It could possibly be a pump fake. Because look at the way this body is being formed right now. Look at it. It's very tiny. It looks unthreatening. It could just be the way that it's forming, but it doesn't look like it's doing much to me. It looks like it's just retracing a little bit to, you know, go back up a little bit for the fact that it just died. Like it literally just dropped here for like 557 pips and hasn't been a buyer's trend yet. So it may have a little retrace. You know, you may get like a little 70 pip, 80 pip retrace, 60 pip. But ultimately, I do think it's going to go down. I could be totally wrong and it could shoot up to the moon for all I know. But I'll be waiting around this area for the break because once I know this candlestick dies out, again, I'm looking for the same pattern of them not being able to breathe, right? And then seller comes through and they just dominate. Okay, I'm looking for this, right? So after this dies out, I'm looking for the next two selling candlesticks to know that it's going to collapse. Okay. All this turkey talk is making me hungry. So let's go look at another pair. Anyone want to request a pair to look at? Let's look at GJ. Who wants to look at GJ, baby? GJ, baby. That's my girl's favorite pair. She loves her some GJ. She loves her some GJ. Okay, let's check out some trades. GJ doesn't look too interesting to me. It looks like it could fall, and I would like to see more. I'm very, like, as you can see, I'm not just like jumping. I'm not a trader where I just jump into any trade. If it doesn't look good, if it doesn't feel good to me, I don't do it. You guys have to realize trusting your intuition and trusting how you resonate and connect with the market is very important. It's not just a robotic support and resistance thing that we're learning here, you know? You guys have to understand that being in tune with the market and accepting the fact that there's a spiritual side to the market and how you emotionally feel about money. Because the worst enemy is you. You know, the worst enemy is ourselves in the market. So, you know, I saw the post that I put, hey, what do you guys, you know, want to do as far as becoming a better trader? And a guy said, I want to beat the market. That's not going to happen. You're not going to beat the market ever because the real battle's against yourself. So once you beat yourself and you realize that you're your worst enemy, then you're just going to become a lot better trader. You're going to start taking trades more smarter. You're going to start thinking about your goal. You know, if you just catch 200 pips a week, do you guys realize how powerful that is? Because it's not about, and one of my students had told me this too. He's really good now. Amazing, super consistent. Just made $2,000 the other day is really getting into the hoons of things. Like he's killing it. So he told me, a lot of traders don't realize, and this is coming from a student of mine, saying that 200 pips a week is unbelievable. If you can master the skill set of just catching 200 pips a week, imagine how much of a good trader you would be. Imagine if you stopped focusing on making the money and you focused on actually catching pips. Then you now master the skill set of, okay, I can catch 20 pips. How many people think they can catch 20 pips here? Come on. Everyone here could probably catch 20 pips. But the problem that kills us is that we don't know when to let go, right? As human beings, we love to hold on to things. We love to have hope, we love to have hope of things, People pray. I mean, people hope there's God. Hope there's a God. People, pray because they hope that there is some hope for them. They hope that there is something out there for them. That somebody will answer their prayers, whether it's Allah, Buddha, Jesus, whoever you believe in. It's a hope, and we have to stop hoping. And not in religion, saying, but in trading, we have to stop hoping for the things to happen to us or things to turn out our way. We have to accept that, hey, this trade may be a loss and it's okay to close it. And once you start becoming accepting of those things and you start letting go and you start getting into spiritually in tune with trading, you will then realize that you were beating yourself up the whole time for no reason. Okay. 200 pips a week is easy. And no matter how you look at that 200 pips a week, it's always going to be the same. So let's say you catch $1 per pip, right? $1 per pip, and you're catching 20 pips a day on $1 per pip, and you make $200 for the week. That's amazing. Suppose you're making $500 at your job. Now you're making an extra $700 a week, an extra $200 a week. So your total making $700 off of just doing something simple. Now, that 200 pips a week, let's say you put that to a 10 standard and you make 200 pips a week. That's $20,000 on a 10 standard. On a standard lot, it's $2,000. $2,000 a week. Think about that. 2, 4, 6, 8. Come on, you could be making $8,000 a month, almost $9,000 a month, just literally focusing on 200 pips a week. And I think that's where a lot of traders lack. They throw out a bunch of indicators, they throw a bunch of stuff, and they don't get people to focus on psychologically how to do this stuff. And it's ridiculous to me because they sell people in a course that's just, oh, this strategy, and then you use Fibonacci levels as if everyone's going to be successful. And that's not the reality of how things work. You have to teach people that there's money management to this, there's psychology. You can't just tell people risk management. No. You have to explain it to them. You have to let them know, like, this is a psychological game. And that leads me to believe that not a lot of traders must be doing fascinating because they never talk about psychology. I'm like the only trader that I've seen so far that really talks about psychology in their videos. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying that to encourage other people to start doing that. Okay, so psychologically, to me, I wouldn't take this trade. It could sell into this gap right here, but I wouldn't take it just because of the setup. It looks a little choppy to me. Things don't look a little clear. The chart looks a little messy. But what I have identified is that these zones right here, that price is going to have to break out of one of these zones. So I'm going to look for, if price does break out here, I won't be anxious to sell, but I'll probably sell on the lowest point of here. Okay. And the reason why I'll sell on the lowest point of here is because this is where the trend, this is the lowest part that the trend went. So I'm going to sell on the break of this, because if it breaks this structure, and that's the lowest part out of this whole market structure right here, then I know that it's going to be a solid trade because it's breaking history that it hasn't done in a long time, right? It's like breaking a new record. So that's a smart thing to do, is sell on the last low of this consolidation here. And of course, somebody will probably steal this from me and go put it in their trading company or whatever that they're part of to recruit more people, but whatever. At the break of this is the lowest part that this entire market has been. So I would sell at the break of here. And here seems a little bit close for comfort. Like, let me see how many pips that is. 75 pips, but it still seems very close for comfort. I'd rather like look for an aim where like I can aim for 200 and catch like a trade like that. So this could hit. It could fill this gap right here and then break. We'll see. It hasn't come back up here for a while, and it moved lower. So you see that? It moved lower than the last one. So it could rock around here. We'll see. We'll see what price does. See, we got gold on the rise. Gold looks like it could drop a little bit, but retrace back up. I would like to check out gold on the weekly. Gold on the weekly is still bullish, so this could be a little trace back because price has been going up for about 400 pips now. Price has been going up, so I would say that it is a pullback because this is the lowest price. Price went up for 500 points, so we might get a little pullback here on gold, but I don't think it'll be huge. In fact, I think the pullback may be over in quite a few. I mean, this is already 100. It may go down like 60 more pips. But on the weekly, it's bullish. It's still up. So we'll see. But this looks like a good sell because look at the body. See how that's dying out? But I wouldn't sell. Most people are like, okay, I'm going to sell here and then get out here. No, I want to sell on the last low of this. And then that way, anything under here is like crack. All right, so we're looking at gold right now. Yeah, let's look at the 1 minute chart, which I never look at. Okay. Yep, this may do a little, but it looks like it could still go up. So the pullback may be over. I'm debating. Yeah, the pullback looks like it may be over, guys. But we'll see. We'll see. I like to be extra cautious. Let's see what we got on here. 145 people watching. Yes, this is recorded. How many of you guys think I should put up the recording? Let me know. You guys are loving the session? How many people are loving the session here? I need everyone to do me a favor right now. Can everyone do me a favor? Can everyone go in the Gold Mines group? The Gold Mines group on Facebook and post Gold Mines live trading sessions is fire. Can everyone go post that? Please go post that in the group right now. If you are in the Gold Mines trading group, please post that. Yo, I'm so excited that people love this. This is great. This is a turn up. You guys do me that favor. Go into the Gold Mines Facebook group. If you're not in the Facebook group, ask me for it. And let's trade. Let's catch some pips. Go ahead and drop a comment in the group. Appreciate you. Everyone that did that, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Let's go. I will help you guys catch pips. All I ask is you show love. Okay, let's look at the markets. Yeah, this trend looks like it's almost over. And gold can still go up for a buy, possibly. This could still be a buy because look how this candlestick opened above near here. So this could possibly still be a buy. And this was just a slight little pullback because the buying pressure on this doesn't look too crazy. I mean, that's on the 3-day, but it doesn't look too crazy. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm still analyzing. You're seeing what I'm doing when I'm analyzing the trade, guys. You guys will see. Turkey dollar. Let's look at Mexican peso. Mexican peso is a little choppy. But I may say it's possible that Mexican peso can be a sell. Because it doesn't look too strong here. So it could be a sell that's happening here. Price is going down. We'll see. I'm going to look for my entry. My entry is probably going to be around here. I would like to make it a little bit lower, but I think scaling in here is efficient. Right here. And then I'm probably going to get out around here. But you want to enter in on the daily so you can catch, you know, at least a good 58 pips. See how this is kind of, look at this. See what's going on here. All right. Looks like market could drop. Again, I want to wait because it's in that consolidation phase. But I got my eyes on US Turkey. US Turkey is doing pretty well. Ripple. Remember I told everyone to get Ripple? And no one listened to that call. And guess what? It shot up over 1,000 points. So well, one of my students did catch that. Let's look at oil. How did oil do? Ooh, oil's still going to drop. Oil is definitely going to drop. And the reason why is look how long oil's been up. Oil's been up since 2016. It hasn't made a low like this since 2016. And it's moved up higher. And it's just moved up higher and higher. It just keeps creating new highs. But because this right here looks like a little M, and because here doesn't look like too much strong buying pressure is going on, it could possibly be a sell on this candlestick. So I think oil could definitely be a sell. It's about entering right here though. Like right here would be ideal entry. And I would say a take profit should be fairly close, like around here at least. You know, or at least around. I think here is good. This is good. This is perfect. A good 37 pips you can catch. But because oil has been up for so long, and this is a double top somewhat right here, I think that it could head down. Could head down a little longer too.
could head down to here. So I'm bearish on oil at the break of this candle. So you guys got two analyses for me on oil. You got me on oil, and you have me on Turkey dollar. So we're still looking. We're still looking to see what's up, what the market's going to give us. You know? Yep, Turkey dollar dropping. See that? Turkey dollar is dropping. I am still in that sell for Turkey dollar. Look at that. See how it's gone? And it's breaking that low. See, that low is almost broken. So we could wait till this candlestick finishes forming and take another sell on Turkey dollar, guys. So we may catch a good live trade tonight. Come on, guys. There's 137 of you. Can we get some good comments in the group? Can we guys drop some more love in the group? It's posted right there. I posted it for you in the chat. Look on the side. It's right here, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Make sure you join the group, guys. If you guys are not a part of the group, please drop some heat in the group, some love in the group. You're following the group, yes. Let me show you the page in case you guys don't know what it is. Here's the group page. Okay, here's the group page. Gold Mines Global, that is the group page. Okay. You got some love, people dropping some love in the group. Appreciate it. Flex City. Gold Mines Trading. Thank you. Thank you. So please drop some love in the group. It's only one comment. I got people hitting me up all day. It's only one comment to drop, share some love. Let me exit out of this, okay? You guys can see my screen. Okay. Let's look at US Turkey, because that seems to be the one that's moving right now. US Turkey. US Turkey. Okay, let's look. We're waiting, guys. We see a drop happening. Right. Let's see. Don't worry, we didn't freeze. Tune into the Gold Mines trading session. Let's go. Waiting for the drop. Woo! Let's go. Live trading all day. I'm looking for this to drop, close below here, and get into this trade. Turkey dollar, make me some money. Come on, turkey dollar, we need some money. GMG, it's a lifestyle. More value. Let's go. Also, you guys want to follow me on Instagram? My Instagram is thegoldfather_. That's my Instagram. I'm also T Goldfather on Twitter. You guys want to follow me on Twitter? T Goldfather. But my Instagram is thegoldfather_. So follow me on there. Snapchat is Retire with Tucky. If you want to follow me on Snapchat. So let's go, let's go. Some of these trades take a while to play out. Sometimes we'll get an instant execution. But would you guys rather be safe than sorry? Cool, gold mine vibes. Everyone just sitting here chilling, looking at the charts. And don't feel too embarrassed. But open your chart too if you want. Look at your charts. Tell me if you see what I see. And make sure you also follow me on TradingView. My TradingView is Mr. XAU. You want to follow me on TradingView? Here I am, Mr._XAU. Just some views that I got. You know, I mean, 933 followers, not that bad for TradingView. Some trades that I predicted, like the fall of AUSD. Look at that. My entry was here, and look how much it tanked. This is on a daily chart, by the way. This is the 1 day. So look at all those pips that I caught. So that's what I'm trying to help you guys when I show you the turkey dollar. Let me play that back for you one more time. See this drop? This is my entry. We are currently looking at AUD. I'm selling AUD. The candlestick above shows that buyers were trapped at this exact moment in time. Price wicked back 56 pips and formed a long doji. So there's my entry. And here is my target, but it kept going down anyway. So that's what you'll get some great analysis when you follow me on here. And these long-term trades are fire. They're fire because you're catching hundreds of pips, you know, and if you can catch 200 pips a week, you're already nice. GMG family, I love you guys. I love you. I love you. You have no idea how much you mean to me. That's why I'm here, 3 a.m. with you guys, catching pips. Where's your mentor? Ask your mentor where he's at. Where's your mentor? See how it goes. I'm still in myself for Turkey Dollar. I threw a 2 lot. The spread is very high on Turkey Dollar, which is very upsetting. I'm also looking to, let's take a look at USD JPY. Let's look at the yen. I also took a sell on this. You guys remember in the week? Early in the week, I called the sell. Called it down to here and it dropped. We caught about 213 pips on that trade. The gold buy, we also caught the gold buy too. The gold buy up to 1231. Well, 1233. It was 1234. It missed 1234 by 1 pip. I was pissed. Okay. But yeah, we had caught that trade. So a lot of great trades that we've caught are more long-term. And I don't like to scalp. The reason why I don't like to scalp is just way too fast. You know, you could easily blow your account. I like to be very strategic when I enter a trade. That's why it goes instantly into profit most of the time. And it, you know, I usually catch like 200 pips or 300 pips. And I can catch that in a week. I could catch probably, I mean, I've caught 1,000 pips in a day one time. That doesn't happen every day, obviously, but I can catch like 50, 100 pips a day, easy. And I like to take those trades. That's why you see me trading on the daily. That's why you see me trading on the weekly. So I'm waiting for a nice entry here. Because once this breaks, guys, it's over. But I want this to be like a dope moment in history together where we take a trade, we're all in profit, we all take profit together. So I'm waiting. I'm patient. I'm patient. You're late to the party. You're late to the party. US Turkey Dollar is up. Waiting to see what it does. I mean, it could skyrocket up and I could be totally wrong. But either way, whatever way it goes, we will follow. You guys are getting a little tired, I know. If you're not in the group, hop in the group.
So when did you know she was the one for you?
October 21st, 1975.
Jesus Christ, you know the fucking day?
Oh, yeah. Day of the game. Sitting in a bar when the game was starting. Walks this girl.
Thank you guys. Thank you for the love. So I'm waiting on the break of this. Oh, what are all these? I haven't checked these. Got some new followers. Okay, awesome. Yes, I'm waiting. You know what we can go ahead and do? We can go ahead and put a pending order like right here. If you guys want, you guys can put a pending order around here. 563086. But put your take profit fairly close, like right here. It'd be 543998 or a little bit higher. Okay. I'm just waiting for this candlestick to die. Like, oh my gosh. Is there any way I could see how many minutes are left in this candlestick? I know there's usually something that could tell. Yeah, let's see. So we got a consolidation that's happening right now. Price is moving a little sideways. Well, you guys know where to put the sell. We're not getting too much market movement. All right. Not too much market movement going on right now. But that's where I would put the pending order, as I told you guys, you know, and you could take it from there. But I don't want to keep you guys on all night and, you know, nothing pops off. But I do believe Turkey Dollar will be a sell. So if you want to put a really small lot size and enter, you can do that. And if you want to enter here at 562887 and get out around here, around 5.559, 55794, you can do that. Okay. I would just wait till the break of this. Maybe even a little bit here up at 5.64027. Put a pending order there, fall asleep. You know, you want to put a stop loss, you can do that too. Maybe putting your stop loss like 20 pips above or 25 pips above to 30 pips above. So that way you get a, you know, the trade can move around. And if it goes up, I really wouldn't buy until it breaks past here. This is a new support zone, but I'm looking at it now. Looks like it's dying. You see it? It's headed down. Yeah, headed down. Headed down. Yup, still bearish. Still fully bearish. Heikin Ashi is good too because it shows you the smooth trend. You can see the trend more clearly. Like if you put candlesticks versus you put Heikinashi, you can see the trend a lot more clear. So most people don't know that. Gold could drop too. Somebody said they're selling gold. Well, I'm not taking advice from traders that don't have what I want. But gold looks promising on the weekly. Gold looks like it could go up on the weekly. Like it's not done going up. Like it could probably hit like 1260 probably. It might even hit 1260 is reasonable. But it could definitely hit 1292 for sure. And it could definitely hit 1251. I still think that it has room to go up. I'm waiting. I'm being patient. Patience, frugality, and sacrifice. Let's look at GBP. GBP is collapsing too. Look, it's breathing for air, but it's dying. May die and jump into the zone like I told you. It's definitely better to sell here. Look at that, boom, boom, boom. GJ may fill this gap for the sell. How many pips is that? That's a good 81 pips we can make. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? GJ sell? Could that be a possible setup? Let's see. Yeah, looks like GJ could head down. Yeah, GJ could drop. So I may sell GJ. All right, so I'm going to go for the sell on GJ, guys. I'm selling GJ. I am selling GBP JPY.
I've been held up in this city for a while due to the rain.
I'm using a small lot size, though. But I'm selling GJ. Sold GJ. You guys heard me that I sold GJ. Already in it? All right, we'll see what happens.
I see. So as soon as it's raining,
I'm in GJ, baby. In GJ, and I'm in Turkey dollar too, but we want to figure out the perfect sell for there. And I'm in GJ. Let's go, let's go. I'm in GJ and I'm in Turkey dollar. But be very careful on Turkey because of the spread. The spread is fairly large. But I do believe Turkey will collapse. I was already in a previous position of Turkey. So you guys shouldn't be entering Turkey yet. If you want, you can enter Turkey right now. You don't have to. I would wait for a break. Turkey and GJ look like they're headed down. And I would start locking up profit around here, GJ. Maybe after a good 41 pips, we start locking on profit on GJ and US Turkey. Okay. Uh-oh. Turkey dollar. We got that change on Turkey. It's turning into a seller's candlestick. Gold mines. Let's see. So at the break of here is where I'm going to get in. At the break of here. Break of here at the break of 5.66183. I'm gonna get in the trade. Again, for US Turkey, that is. It's Turkey, GJ. GJ's looking a little bit see how far GJ goes. GJ could just be a slight retrace.
Which means wise words being spoken. Get on the mic and watch the mic start smoking. Hold on. That rock kill rhymes you like. That's my. I wrote that.
Okay. And we've been on this session for quite some time. Everyone is in. How's everyone feeling? How's everyone doing? After this trade, guys, I'm getting ready to hit the hay sack. See how the trade maps out. If you make profit, scream gold mines and throw some money in the air. If you don't, hide and pretend this webinar never happened. Yeah, we got some GBP news coming out. Some news. So be careful, guys, because we got some news coming out. The news is coming out in a few minutes. We got news coming out in a few minutes. Sell for GBP. See how GBP plans out. Let's see. Oh, it's in profit. Gotta keep things going. Let's go. See, 4:30 news is coming out. Your GJ could drop to, you know, probably it could drop to $147. Okay. And we're waiting for Turkey dollar. Okay, we're waiting for Turkey dollar to hit this retrace, right? So we want Turkey dollar to break here before we buy. Okay, some news is coming out. This news, GJ News, is at 4:30, so be very careful, guys. Whoa, GJ, let's go. Just exploded into profit, guys. We are in profit. Wow, great trade. GJ just exploded into profit. You guys want, you guys could take profit. And take what you can get. Go ahead and take profit. You want to wait for it to continue to drop. You go ahead and do that too. Looks like it's still going on. Looks like it has another 80 pips that it could go. Oh, just exploded into profit. Lit. How many people are in the trade? How many people are in profit? Who's in profit? Is everybody in profit? Who's in profit? Let's see. Type in the chat if you're in profit. Who's up right now? Hey. Sweet. Hey. If you guys want to take profit, you can. You know, nothing wrong with taking profit. I feel like it may go down a little bit more. But if you guys want to take profit and secure your profit, go ahead. Hey. Not everyone is the same. Let's look at oil. See how oil's doing. Oil could go down. That was a nice shot from GJ, though. I wonder what the news was and how long he'll continue down for. Seems like it's still in profit. See, what about U.S. Turkey? U.S. Turkey do anything spectacular? You guys also, yeah, I know my Mac is about to die. You guys also, if you guys are interested in the 5-day course, please let me know. You guys can send me a message on my Facebook, which is Dimitri Wallace. You can go ahead and Facebook me there. Okay. You guys can go ahead and Facebook me at Dimitri Wallace, and then you'll see me up there. Okay. So type in Dimitri Wallace and you'll see me up there. Trading session is fire. I do have a 5-day course. You guys could get on it for sure. Because the course is amazing. I mean, there's a lot of great reviews that we've had from the course. People love it. You know, a lot of people are making great money. Not everyone is making money, of course. But a lot of people are making money, and it's amazing to see how just far people have come. You know, there's one guy in there in particular. His name is Taylor Walker. He has been trading for a very short amount of time. Joined IML. He lost some money. Just totally fine. You know, I guess it just wasn't for him. Some things aren't for everyone. But yeah, he did that and came into Gold Mines, and he's been killing it. He's been making a good $500 to $600 a day live, posting his profits in the group. And I have a 30-minute consultation with everyone to where I go around and I just find out how they're doing and, you know, see what we could do to elevate their game. And Taylor is killing it. We also had our other student, Charlicia. She made $9,000 in a week. Allie, she made about $2,000 today. Edward made about $2,000 today. So, yeah, we're killing it. We're doing really well. Mabu made $26,000 in a week. So a lot is coming. You know, we had you Shang do 1,000 in a day. Off Ethereum.
We're best friends. I mean, I knew everything about this girl. I knew her favorite color. I knew her favorite food.
You guys also definitely want to follow her trading view, which I will give to you momentarily. Yeah, if you guys want to join the 5-day course, all you got to do is go right here to my profile. You guys see that? This is me, Dimitri Wallace. You want to join the course? I'm right here. Okay. You just send me a message and I'll be right there. Or you could just go to GMG. Gold Mines Global. Okay. Oh, this is great. This is where I got a little deposit. Golden map you got here. All the traders in the world put their map here. So we're strong in, guys. Go to the group, leave some comments, leave some love on the page. Help somebody out if you can. You can inquire about the 5-day course on there and we can get it going. Trenton got results. Yes, Trenton too as well. I know that's you, Trenton. Trenton did get great results. He's killing it. A lot of people are doing great. The 5-day course is incredible. It's incredible. Who else is doing good? Yeah, and what's so awesome about the 5-day course, guys, is once you come in the 5-day course, you can stay in forever. So you actually never have to leave the 5-day course. You don't have to pay to take it again. Once you take it, you take it. So that's a 5-day course. I mean, that's only going for 1,000, which is amazing because it's invaluable. You get 5-day session with the group, going over different strategies that we use. And you get to stay in the group forever, which means that you never have to pay again to take another session, which means that you can stay on new sessions that we do with 5-day students and stay in the group forever. So that's invaluable. And the signals, you know, that we do, or the analysis, should I say, correction. That, you know, the challenges that we have are great. We have great challenges in the group too as well. The sessions are recorded too, so you can always watch back and look at the sessions. We just started doing that. So that's invaluable, you know. And you also get the gold levels too as well. So got that. And I got private one-on-ones, which I just started doing one-on-ones. And you can send me a message to inquire about that. But the 5-day course is amazing. It's so beautiful to see traders actually becoming consistent, actually making money, you know, not in massive drawdown and blowing their account and finally understanding. So it's amazing that we're doing that. And you guys saw me break down my analysis here. So you guys can kind of get a clear idea of if you're getting this for value and this is for free, then imagine what else you would get. Yep, we're waiting for the break. US Turkey. Yup, and gold is going up. What did I tell you guys? Look at gold. Told you gold could still go up. And look what's happening. Gold is shooting up, my friends. Just like I said.
What are you doing?
It could go up to 1250.
Just looking at the world. I'm writing a new piano piece.
Oh yeah, can I hear it?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. See how the market goes. Waiting for Turkey dollar to make a turn. Gold is in profit. I mean, GJ is in profit. Awesome. Awesome. Well, guys, I'm going to let that trade ride out. See what we could do. If you guys want to take profit on it, you can. You guys have your pending orders for Turkey dollar, and we shall see how the rest works out. Again, those who want to inquire about the 5-day course, let me know. Thank you, Trenton. The 5-day course works. Yes, if you want to inquire about the 5-day course, if you want to inquire about the private one-on-ones, let me know, and we'll get it cracking. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I want you to go ahead and do that and follow me on Instagram.com/. Okay, so make sure you're following me here on Insta. That's me. Aha. Yep, that's your boy. So follow me out on Instagram. Click the follow button. You could also follow me on Twitter. I do have a Twitter, which I just made. It's T Goldfather, so follow me on there. Follow me on Twitter. And follow me on Snapchat. So if you have me on Snapchat, I don't even know if you can type it in, but my Snapchat is Retire with Tucky. Retire with Tucky. It's like Chucky, Tucky. Yeah, and follow me on TradingView as well. Okay, Mr._XAU. Thank you guys. Oh, and don't forget the Telegram. Follow the Telegram. Gold Mines TWT. Don't forget that. Follow the Telegram. Make sure you're in the Telegram. Make sure you're in the group too as well. All right, guys. I'm ending the live session. Thank you for every single person that came on. That is beautiful. I appreciate you guys. You guys are incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All so amazing. You guys could go ahead and leave some love in the group. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. And leave a comment under the YouTube, subscribe. If you got in profit, if you made profit, if you're in profit, take a snapshot, post it inside of the Gold Mines Telegram group. The Gold Mines Facebook group. And just show some love, show some gratitude back. Thank you for everyone who attended the session. Glad that we got this recorded. And I am out, guys.